up, y'all? Back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for social media. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm just dressed for work. I don't have on my shoes yet because it's not time for me to leave. So yeah, I'm just sitting here just chilling. I'm not doing nothing. I gotta find me some food because I am hungry. So yeah. I don't know what I'm eating. Let's go see what I'm about to go eat. Let's see. What is up, y'all? Back to my channel. Just clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box down. So yeah. Don't forget to go check out my other videos because they are uploaded. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be doing a little mukbang. You know, I had to put me a napkin on my shirt because me and White, we just don't get along like at all. Like it doesn't matter if I just have on like a white look tank top. I'm still gonna spill something on it. So I'm not trying to spill nothing on my work shirt. So yeah. Let's get a quick thumbnail. So I just have some chicken and some cheese fries, and I'm finna watch my girl Jasmine. So yeah. She just uploaded a video, the Davis family. So yeah, so go watch them. I already bought some food. Okay. So far I just got some chicken and some cheese fries. So good. Then I'm eating the sauce with this fries. It tastes like ranch hot sauce and I don't know what else. But it's good. And it's spicy. Yeah, I know that I'm not supposed to be eating no cheese fries, but I'm still gonna eat them. But yeah, like your girl got a job. Your girl out here making money. Like, that's good. And then I'm gonna go back to school in like a couple of weeks. So yep, I'm going back down. There was a little bit too much cheese, so I had to pull it off. And sometimes my mom, she be forgetting that I'm not supposed to be eating cheese like that. Sometimes she forgets. I'm done. See, I ain't getting none on my shirt. And I got a napkin to wipe my hands. How lovely. But y'all, like, comment down below what type of kind of videos y'all want to see. Like, y'all seen the kind of pray. And shout out to that one person who thumbs it down. Shout out to y'all. Shout out. Thank you for thumbsing my video down. But I don't care, but thank you. But yeah. But that is all for this mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, answer the poll question, check out the description down below. Don't forget to follow my social media because I will be at ya. So yeah, don't forget to watch all my other videos because they are uploaded. Don't forget to comment other videos that you want to see me do. I'm gonna try to do. No, I'm not gonna tell y'all, but y'all just gonna see it.